Hi students, now we are going to derive the relationship between pressure and kinetic energy per unit volume of a gas. Now for an ideal gas, the total energy of the system is equal to the sum of the internal kinetic energy per molecule, isn't it? So epsilon U is equal to the total number of molecules multiplied by kinetic energy per molecule. So this is U equal to total number is capital N into kinetic energy of one molecule is 3 by 2 K into T. So this is equal to 3 by 2 N K T. So this is our equation number 1. Now from the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to NKT. I am going to substitute for NKT is equal to PV. Therefore, now capital U is equal to 3 by 2 P into V. Okay. So this V is brought to the left hand side. Therefore, U by V is equal to 3 by 2 into P. So this is a second step. But the total kinetic energy per unit volume is also equal to the average kinetic energy per unit volume or energy density U. Okay. Therefore, now U is equal to 3 by 2 P. 3 by 2 times P, or the pressure P is now equal to 2 by 3 times U. So this is the expression which relates the pressure and average kinetic energy per unit volume. Okay, already we have derived 50% of this in the previous derivation, isn't it? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.